Hi students, welcome to the session. I am Dr. K. Varada Rajkumar, Associate Professor, Department of CSE, AIML, MLR Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. In this session, we will learn about splay trees. Overview of the session. In this session, first we see the definition of splay tree and the rotations in splay tree, and finally we discuss splay tree with an example. At the end of this lecture, you all understand how to insert an element in splay tree. Definition of splay tree. A splay tree is a self-balancing binary search tree. Splay tree is also a self-balancing binary search tree like AVL tree, red-black tree. In splay tree, so recently inserted or accessed element become as a root of the tree by performing a sequence of rotations called splaying. Okay, here in splay trees, the newly inserted data or recently accessed element become as a root of the tree by performing sequence of rotations. This process we called as a splay. So splay trees are particularly effective for catching scenarios where frequently accessed item should be quick to access again. So for example, so this is the tree. Okay, so now I want to access 300. So now, so 300 so is greater than 50, so traverse to right side, and again 300 is greater than 100, so traverse to right side. Now 300 is greater than 200, so traverse to right side. Here 300 equals to 300, so element found. Okay, so for example, in a particular problem, I want to access 300 many times. Now the time complexity will be very high, so make this 300 as a root now. Now if you make this 300 as a root, now we access the 300 many times, so the accessing time will be reduced. That is the application of splay tree. So what is the definition? So splay tree is a self-balancing binary search tree. Here the splay tree property is always the new inserted data or recently accessed data is become as a root. Okay, now how we make this recently accessed element as a root means by using a sequence of rotations called splaying. We have 6 types of rotations in splay tree. One is jig rotation, jag rotation, jig rotation, jag rotation, zigzag rotation, jig rotation. So jig rotation means right. All of you remember this jig, right. Okay, so jig rotation means right rotation, jag means left rotation. So let us discuss all these rotations one by one. Jig rotation. So jig means single right rotation. So now, so consider this tree and splay 9. Splay 9 means now I want to make this 9 as a root. How I make 9 as a root means 1 right rotation. So this right rotation we call as a jig rotation here. Now if we rotate once, so this 9 become as a root now. So 9, 11, 12. 9 children are 8 and 10 is greater than 9. So, now the 10 become as a left child of 11. So, next rotation, jag rotation. Jag rotation means single left rotation. Now, I want to splay 11. Splay 11 means I want to make this 11 as a root now. So, left rotation that we call as a jag. When we rotate to the left, now 11 become as a root 9, 8. So, 10 is the left child of 11. So, 10 become as a right child of 9. That's it. Now, so 12 is the root now. Next rotation is jig rotation. So, jig rotation means double jig rotation. So, now consider this tree and splay 8. Now, I want to make this 8 as a root now. So, rotate 2 jig rotations, right. So, this tree become as 9, 8, 11, 10, 12. One jig rotation is over. Now, another jig rotation. So, 8, 9, 11, 10, 12. So, now 8 is a root. So, next rotation is jag rotation. So, double jag rotation. So, consider this tree and splay 12. Splay 12 means I want to make this 12 as a root now. So, rotate to left side 2 times. So, in first rotation 11, 9, 8, 10, 12. Okay. So, this is one jag rotation. Now, second jag rotation. So, 12 become as a root now and 11, 9, 8, 10. That's it. Now, 12 is a root. Next rotation is jig jag rotation. One jig and one jag rotation. So, consider this tree and splay 10. Splay 10 means I want to make this 10 as a root. So, this is right, left. So, the rotations are jig, jag. Jig means right, jag means left. Means one right rotation and one left rotation. So, first we apply jig rotation. So, it become as 9. So, rotate to right side. So, it become as 10, 11, 12. Now, apply one left rotation. So, it become as 10, 9, 8, 11, 12. Now, 10 is root element. So, next rotation is jag jig rotation. One jag and one jig rotation. So, consider this tree and splay 10. Splay 10 means now I want to make this 10 as a root. Now, identify. So, this is the left and this is the right. So, the rotation is jag jig rotation. Jag means left, jig means right. So, first apply left rotation. So, it become as 11, 10, 9, 8, 12. Now apply right rotation, rotate to right side. Now it become as 10, 11, 12, 9, 8. Now, so 10 is the root of the tree. Okay. So now we see splay tree with one example. Construct splay tree using the below keys 33, 28, 45, 16, 31, 24. Here, as per the definition of splay tree, always newly inserted data is a root of the tree. Okay. So now, the first element is 33. Now, 33 is inserted into the tree. Now, 33 is the root now. So, no need to apply any rotations here. So, next number 28. Now, 28 is less than 33. So, insert 28 as left child of 33. So, now what is the splay tree definition? As per the splay tree definition, newly inserted data is the root now. Now, 28 is newly inserted data. So, make 28 as a 33. So, now, so the 28 is left of 33. So, I want to make 28 as a right. So which rotation I am going to apply? Jig rotation. One right rotation. So, it become as 28 and 33. Okay. So, now 28 is the root of the tree. Okay. So, next number 45. So, 45 is greater than 28 and traverse to right of the 28, and 45 is greater than 33 and 33 doesn't have any right child. So, insert 45 as right child of 33. Now, as per splay tree definition, make 45 as a root now. Now, this is the right. So, we apply 2 times left rotation. So, we apply jag rotation. So, now in first jag rotation it become as 33, 28, 45. In second jag rotation it become as 45, 33, 28. Now, 45 is the root of tree. Next element 16. Now, 16 is less than 45. Yes. So, traverse to left of 45. 16 is less than 33. So, traverse to left of 33. 16 is less than 28 and 28 doesn't have any left child. So, insert 16 as left child of 28. Now, apply jig rotation. Now, when we apply jig rotation, it become as, in first jig rotation it become as 45. So, one right rotation. So, it become as 28, 33, 16. Another jig rotation. Now, it become as 45, 16, 28, 33. Now, apply another jig rotation to make 16 as a root now. Now, it become as 16, 45 and 28 is greater than 16. So, now, 28 is left child of 45, 28, 33. That's it. So, this is the resultant tree of inserting 16. Now, next number is 31. 31 is greater than 16. So, traverse to right side. 31 is less than 45. So, traverse to right side. So 31 is greater than right side. So, traverse to right side of 28. Now, 31 is less than 33 and 33 doesn't have any left child. So, insert 31 here. Now, as per Splay tree definition, make this 31 as a root of the tree here. Apply zig-zag rotation. Zig-zag rotation. Now, this tree is become as now 28, 33, 31. Now, so zig-zag means now we rotate to right, it become as so 21, 28, 31, 33. Now, one left rotation, it become as 31, 28, 33. So, the resultant tree is 16, 45, 31, 28, 33. Okay. Now, again apply zig-zag rotation. Oh, this is the 31. I want to make this 31 as a root. So, it become as one right rotation. It become as 16, 31, 45, 33 and 28. Now, apply jag rotation means rotate to left side. It become as 31, 16, 45, 33 and 28 is right child of 16. That's it. Now, 31 is root of the tree. Okay, this is the resultant tree after inserting 31. Now, next element is 24. Insert 24. So, compare 24 with 31. So, 24 is less than 31. So, traverse to left of 31 and 24 is greater than 16. So, traverse to right of 16 and 24 is less than 28 and 28 does not have any left child. So, insert 24 here. So, this is the new element. Now, as per Splay tree definition, make this 24 as a root now. Now, so identify the rotation. This is the right, left. So, the rotation is zig-zag rotation. Zig-zag rotation. So, apply here. Now, so this is the 16, 28, 24. Now, it become as 16, 24, 28 after applying jig operation. Now, apply jag. So, it become as 24, 16, 28. So, the updated tree is after applying jig jag 31, 24, 16, 28, 45 and 33. Now, make 24 as a root now. Now, if you rotate to right side, now 24 is become as a root now. So, apply jig operation. So, it become as 24, 31, 45, 33 and 16 and 28 is left child of 24. Now, 24 is a root now. So, 28 become as left child of 31. So, this is the resultant tree after inserting 24. Coming to summary of this session. In this session, we will learn about Splay tree. So, what is a Splay tree? A Splay tree is a self-balancing binary search tree. In this, recently inserted or accessed element become as a root of the tree by performing the sequence of rotations called Splay. We have 6 types of rotations. One is jig rotation, jag rotation, zigzag rotation, jag-jag rotation, zigzag rotation, jag-jig rotation. Jig rotation means rotate to right side. Jag means left rotation. Jig-jig rotation means right rotation. Jag-jag rotation means left rotation. Zigzag rotation means right left rotation, jag-jig rotation means left right rotation. By applying these rotations, we can make newly inserted or axis element as a root of the tree. I hope you all are understand splay trees. Thank you.